Looking for luxury living in Loudoun County? Today, we're giving you the inside scoop on Parkside Village, a stunning new community in Aldie brought to you by Toll Brothers. You'll love this picturesque community with incredible landscaping and so many wonderful amenities. Parkside Village features single-family homes available in two distinct collections, the Hawthorne Collection and the Sequoia. Toll Brothers is a nationally acclaimed builder known for their signature style, sophisticated designs, and high-quality craftsmanship. At Parkside Village, they continue to exceed expectations. Before we go any further, I'm Crystal Walker with Ask a Walker, providing answers to all your questions about where to live in Northern Virginia. If you have any questions about buying or building a new home, or want to meet one-on-one to discuss your relocation plans, click the link in the description to schedule your perfect home consultation. We'll walk you through your options and help you find the perfect home for your needs. All right, so let's jump in. Let's take a closer look at the homes you'll find in Parkside Village, starting with their two unique collections available. Parkside Village offers a selection of single-family homes available within those collections. Each collection offers unique design features, layout options, and price points to meet the needs of different home buyers. The Hawthorne Collection includes homes ranging from approximately 3,110 square feet to about 650. These homes offer 4 to 5 bedrooms and 3.5 to 4.5 bathrooms, providing ample space for families of various sizes. The homes are thoughtfully designed with 3-story layouts and open concept floor plans that prioritize modern living. Key features of this collection include gourmet kitchens equipped with center islands and walk-in pantries, spacious great rooms with access to the backyard that creates a seamless indoor-outdoor living space. The primary suites feature walk-in closets and luxurious ensuite bathrooms, while secondary bedrooms offer walk-in closets with private or shared bathrooms. Flex rooms are also available, providing versatile space for home offices or additional living areas. The specific models in this collection include the 𝐏𝐚𝐫𝐤𝐿, which has approximately 3,100 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, and the 𝐿𝐴𝐻𝐵𝐻, which offers a little over 3,300 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. The Sequoia collection offers larger, more expansive homes starting at around 4,200 square feet. These homes feature between 4 to 6 bedrooms, making them ideal for larger families or those seeking more space with customization options. Homes in the Sequoia collection feature sophisticated designs as well, with open concept living areas that emphasize flow and flexibility. The gourmet kitchens in these models are fitted with larger center islands and still have those walk-in pantries to accommodate your culinary needs. The expansive great rooms and casual dining areas have easy access to the rear yard space for outdoor enjoyment. Like the Hawthorne collection, the primary suites are equipped with elegant bathrooms but have dual walk-in closets, while the secondary bedrooms have walk-in closets and access to private or shared bathrooms. Home buyers can also take advantage of the flex rooms and other customizable spaces to suit their needs. The specific models available in the Sequoia collection include the 𝐏𝐚𝐫, with about 4,210 square feet with 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms, and the 𝐵𝐴𝐻, which has just under 4,240 square feet. Again, 4 bedrooms to start and 3.5 bathrooms. But there are a few key differences between the collections. The Sequoia collection homes are generally larger, providing more square footage and additional bedrooms and bathrooms compared to the Hawthorne collection. Due to their larger size and expanded features, homes in the Sequoia collection have a higher starting price point. With both the Hawthorne and Sequoia collection, home buyers can expect modern designs, open layouts, and versatile living spaces that cater to a variety of lifestyles. Check out our Loudoun County property tour playlist for an exclusive look at these models. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description to schedule your personalized home consultation and start your journey to owning a luxury home in Parkside Village. Many buyers are unaware that most builders require real estate agents to be present at the very first visit. Without your agent's presence, the builder may not allow you to have agent representation if you decide to make an offer. So now that we've covered the available homes, let's talk about what life in Parkside Village is really like, starting with its impressive amenities. Parkside Village offers a variety of amenities designed to foster a sense of community and encourage outdoor activities. Residents can enjoy the open green spaces and lush parks, perfect relaxation or outdoor gathering. You'll notice on our property tour that the lots are on the smaller side, so the grilling stations and picnic areas are ideal for cookouts and socializing with family and friends. For those seeking recreational activities, the community features pickleball and basketball courts, along with playgrounds for children to explore and enjoy. Nature lovers can take in the scenic beauty of the community's pond, offering a serene backdrop for walks and reflection. Walking and bike trails weave throughout the community, encouraging an active lifestyle. Residents also have access to an outdoor swimming pool for refreshing summer fun. The clubhouse will serve as a central gathering point for social events and community activities, while the pavilion offers a shaded area for outdoor entertainment. Lastly, the fire pit creates a cozy atmosphere for evening gatherings, making it easy to connect with neighbors and create lasting memories. But it doesn't stop there. Just outside the community, you'll find everything you need for daily life. Whether it's shopping at Brambleton Town Center or dining at Dulles Landing, you'll have access to a variety of stores and restaurants right nearby. Brambleton Town Center offers a variety of stores and services that cater to residents' daily needs and leisure activities. For grocery shopping, Harris Teeter provides a wide selection of products. Fitness enthusiasts can maintain their routines at One Life Fitness, a well-equipped gym. For coffee and light bites, Starbucks and Pete's Coffee are available. There are several locally owned restaurants offering everything from American to Mediterranean and Thai food. Another bonus is the Regal Movie Theater. Looking for a weekend escape? Hanson Regional Park has over 250 acres of outdoor space with scenic trails, playgrounds, sports fields, and even fishing ponds. It's the perfect outdoor retreat, and it's just minutes from Parkside Village. Parkside Village's proximity to local wineries and breweries gives you another great way to spend your weekends. Loudoun County is famous for its local wineries, and Fleetwood Farm Winery and Old Farm Winery at Heartland certainly live up to the hype. Nearby, you can unwind at the Fleetwood Farm Winery, a charming estate with a historic 1765 manor house and scenic garden views. And just a short drive away, Old Farm Winery at Heartland offers a rustic farm-to-table wine experience. Want to experience this lifestyle for yourself? Give us a call today to see how Parkside Village can be your next home. Now, let's talk about schools. For families with school-aged children, Parkside Village is served by some of Loudoun County's top-rated schools. Those schools include Cycling Creek Elementary, which has an 8 out of 10 rating on Great Schools and an A- overall on niche.com. Brambleton Middle School has a 7 out of 10 rating on Great Schools and an overall A on niche.com. And Independence High School is ranked the #2 public high school in Virginia according to niche.com. Each of these schools offers a variety of extracurricular activities, ensuring every student has the opportunity to thrive. But be sure to confirm the ratings for accuracy as they're updated each year. You also want to confirm school assignments for specific units using the Loudoun County boundary map. Every now and again, boundaries are remapped, and you want to make sure you have the most up-to-date information. Living in Parkside Village means you're always within reach of key destinations. Commuting, depending on where, can be a breeze with quick access to highways like I-66, Route 50, and a Dulles toll road. Here's a look at travel times to some of the region's top spots. To Reston Town Center, it's going to take you about 25 minutes, while it'll be about 30 minutes to get to Tyson's Corner. You can get to Dulles Airport in about 15 minutes, and you're looking at 50 minutes to an hour to get to downtown DC. Whether you're heading to work, catching a flight, or planning a night out, Parkside Village puts you closer to where you need to be. Parkside Village in Aldie presents an exceptional opportunity to own a luxury home in a thoughtfully designed community. With its strategic location, top-rated schools, and extensive amenities, it caters to those seeking comfort, convenience, and a connection to nature. If you have questions about Parkside Village, want to schedule a tour, or are interested in learning more about buying a new construction home, click the link below to schedule your consultation. We'd love to help you find your dream home. I'm Crystal Walker with Ask A Walker. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.